I got a new bow, and it's not this one behind me, but we're gonna open this baby up today. Also, I just got my wisdom teeth out 3 days ago, so that's why I'm very swelled up and probably talking weird because it hurts a lot. So, let's open this up. Got a new hat, which I am excited for because I kept getting the same hat for like 4 years in a row. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. Alrighty, so today we're going to be putting together this bow a little bit. I'm still hurting, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be shooting a lot. I'm excited to be able to shoot it. This is the Bowtech Reckoning 38. It is I have the 35 behind me, and I'm going to take some stuff off of that, and then I'm going to build the rest new. But as you can see, it is a very pretty bow. I got white for this one. I usually do a cycle. I get a red, white, blue, and then a black bow. And man, look at this thing. That's nice. Okay, let's get the rest of the stuff out of here. Alrighty, so when you get this bow, it comes with a few things. If you never had a Bowtech bow, they give you a couple extra things. Obviously a hat, they'll give you a hat with every bow. A nice sticker, which I'll probably put on my car because I'm going to switch out the sticker I have on there. They give you a manual, but you go online to actually look at the manual. They give you the sales tag for the bow, with the poundage, who tested it, who made it. And then they give you extra flip discs, which I don't remember having with my Reckoning 35, but apparently I got flip discs and then an extra flat back grip as well. So what we're gonna do, they put the dampener on the wrong side for this because I use a V-bar bracket, but we're gonna take off that, throw on these stabilizers on the 35 for now because I don't have any. I have an extra set of I do have one extra set, but I want to put the Halcyon Eastons on this bow, and then we're going to throw a rest and tie a D-loop. So let's get into this. This is where I wish I had a bow press, not a bow press, like a clamp, so I could just clamp this in and work on it, because right now I'm trying to hold it while I put this rest on. That's kind of a pain. Alright, we're almost ready to go outside, but I am going to throw the sight on here. Originally, I switched to Excel sights for the 2020 season, but I'm still looking for one at the moment. So I'm, I want the bottom one. So I'm currently, oh wait, which one did I shoot with last year? I think I want the top one. So I'm currently going to switch to the Sherlock sight real quick for today to get some shots and get it tuned. And then I'll pick up a new sight this week, hopefully. So we'll get this mounted on here and then we'll be good to go. Everything will be converted. I'm wondering how close it'll hit without even moving the sight. Just moving it from the 35 to the 38. Alrighty, so I just spent like 35 minutes changing out cam modules, because I wanted to go to comfort high let off rather than low let off, and it was so, I didn't realize, it took me probably 5 or 6 changes because there's a bottom and a top disc instead of like, normally discs don't matter on the Fanatics. So this is the first shot through paper. We'll see how it tears. So here's our first tear. You can see that it tore a little bit to the right. It came in left and it tore a little right. It's not too bad though. So with a little bit of cam adjustment, I should be able to bring that over. So the cool thing with these cams is there's deadlock technology, so I can loosen this screw and turn my cam to get it to bring over. So we're gonna do that rather than putting it in a press. Alright, it's roughly a quarter turn on each one. Let's see how this one looks. Oh yeah. Our second hole is almost a bullet hole. I might have put it a little bit too far actually, but compared to that one looks a lot cleaner. I have not moved my sight. This is just off of the Reckoning 35. Let's see where it hits. First shot out of the bow onto a target. Ooh, that's way off. Just shot a 6 low right. A little closer. We're getting close. Alrighty, so that's going to be it for today. I shot 2 more ends and managed to get it into an XX10, so that's it. I'm exhausted. My wisdom teeth have been killing me. I'm swelled still and hurting, so I'm going to call it a day there. This is the beautiful bow. Sorry, I needed a thumbnail. I'm lazy and don't want to edit thumbnails, so that is my thumbnail. But I hope you enjoyed. If you want to learn anything else on tuning bows, let me know. Once I'm healed up, I plan on making some more videos on archery stuff, whether it be paper tuning, blockback tuning, knock tuning, just basic tying a D-loop, setting up your stuff, whatever it might be. But let me know, and I hope to make some more videos. So thank you guys, and I'll talk to you later.